If you think Samsung's done innovating with the Galaxy lineup, think again. Because the Galaxy S26 series isn't just a minor refresh, it's starting to look like Samsung's biggest statement in years. Here's what's actually going on. Recent leaks are pointing to some very interesting changes. And, depending on how you see it, a few controversial ones too. For starters, Samsung could be planning a small price bump across the lineup. Apparently, rising component and memory costs are putting pressure on margins. One report suggests an increase of around $100 per model, putting the S26 at $899, the S26 Plus at $1,099, and the S26 Ultra at $1,399. But there's a twist. A few analysts, including Fidel, believe Samsung might only increase the price of the S26 Plus while keeping the regular and Ultra models the same. Why? Because they managed to absorb similar cost hikes with the Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 without touching prices. So there's still hope that the Ultra stays right where it is. Now, speaking of the Ultra, this is where things get really exciting. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. Inside, we're expecting the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy in most regions, and the new Exynos 2600 in others. These chips are rumored to bring not just higher peak performance, but sustained performance, meaning this phone should stay fast even during long gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. And Samsung's not stopping there. A larger vapor chamber is reportedly being added for better cooling, which should help keep thermals under control. The display? It's a 6.9-inch QHD plus M14 OLED, Samsung's brightest and most color-accurate panel yet. Combine that with up to 16 GB of DDR5X RAM and lightning-fast storage, and you're looking at flagship power on another level. Then there's the camera system, a refined 200-megapixel setup with improved processing, better dynamic range, and smarter low-light tuning. In short, Samsung's trying to make the Ultra live up to its name, not just through specs, but through consistency. Battery life should stay solid too, a 5,000 mAh cell, but this time with 60 watts wired charging and Qi 2 wireless support, which means faster and more efficient top-ups than ever before. Put it all together, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra might just be the most balanced flagship Samsung's ever made. A perfect mix of brute power, precision, and refinement. And that's what makes this launch so interesting. Because Samsung isn't just competing with Apple or Google anymore, it's competing with itself. The question now is, can they make the S26 feel like a true evolution and not just another iteration? We'll find out soon enough. But if these leaks are anything to go by, Samsung might finally be ready to remind everyone why the Galaxy name still means something.